Looking to earn money from home? Here are 7 trusted online platforms where thousands of people earn every day. First up, Upwork.com. This is one of the most popular freelancing sites out there. Clients from all over the world hire writers, developers, designers, you name it. If you've got a skill, Upwork is a great place to showcase it. Next is Fiverr.com. Here you can sell your skills starting at just $5. From graphic design to voiceovers, Fiverr is all about creative gigs and quick turnarounds. It's perfect if you want to start small and build up your portfolio. Freelancer.com is another big name. It's one of the oldest freelancing platforms out there, offering tons of projects and competitions. Whatever your expertise, there's a good chance you'll find something that fits. Then there's Guru.com. This site connects businesses with skilled freelancers for everything from tech to admin work. If you're looking for long-term projects and steady clients, Guru could be your go-to. Let's not forget PeoplePerHour.com. Especially popular in the UK, it lets you offer your services by the hour or at a fixed price. You get to set your own rates, choose your projects, and work with clients from around the world. Now, if you're an expert in your field, check out Toptal.com. This is a high-end network for top-tier freelancers. Think experienced developers, designers, finance pros. The screening process is tough, but the rewards are definitely worth it. Last but not least, 99designs.com. If you're a graphic designer, this is your playground. Enter design contests, get hired for logos, branding, and all sorts of creative work. It's a fantastic way to build your reputation and connect with clients who truly value design. So there you have it. 7 of the best platforms to kickstart your online career in 2025. Want to know how to get started, create your profile, and win your first job? I'll cover all of that in the next video, so make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications.